I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your design home app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this is here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. You keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And here can you looking for design home app. Then you or just click here on search. Then here at design home, so you click here on design home. Then come to next appear, so then you click here on full stop. Then you click here on OK, so then you go down, just click here on storage. Then you come to storage list, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.